let's get one.
That's a chicken's egg.
The Easter Bunny hid some of the eggs.
I only got one egg, okay, Dad?
Another egg?
There's another one.
Another egg. Oh, another egg.
Wow, where'd you put them all?
No, it's too bad.
Delaney,
Another egg.
Delaney. Hold on, let your sister.
Another egg.
Gunner.
Almost
Hey.
full.
Another egg.
There's too many.
Hey, look on the shelf.
Oh, Delaney, this is
Another egg.
Delaney, it says your name on it.
Yeah. That sounds cool. Have my other name.
Found all the eggs in here? Wow. I think there's some more somewhere.
Here's one. Oh, I forgot these two. I forgot these two.
Another egg. I thought.
A baseball egg.
Yeah. Delaney, this is mine.
No, it's
No,
mine.
it's mine. See?
Mine.
All right, don't fight. We'll play with them later. We'll separate them.
Oh, I accidentally cracked some of it.
All right, come here.
It's kind of rubber.
See what down here under the chair?
Oh, yeah. It's the best place to find things.
Look at all those Easter eggs. What about look at your soccer picture? Look at your soccer picture.
What?
What's behind it?
So,
The Easter Bunny hid all your Easter eggs. Show me that basket of eggs.
yeah.
Wow. All right. Look at me.